Ciao, I'm Chiara from Facile Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy daisy. You can use this flower as a decoration on a headband, for example, or as a brooch, or use it to complete every project you want. For this project I used a cotton yarn basic looks from Mondial and a 3.5mm hook from Prim. You can find more information in the info box below. So now we're going to create a magic ring, or chain 5 and close it round with a slip stitch into the first chain if you prefer. So now chain 3, and remember this counts as your first double crochet. And now we're going to do 15 double crochet into the ring. So now we have a total of 16 double crochet, so now pull the tail and close the ring, and now join with the slip stitch into the third chain. And now we are going to insert the white yarn, so cut the yellow yarn and grab the white yarn to create the petals. But before proceeding with the tails inside the work using a tapestry needle. So now we are going to create the petals. So insert the hook into one of these stitches, then insert the yarn in this way. And now chain 7. And now we do one single crochet in the second chain from hook. Then we do one double crochet into the next chain. Then we do one double treble crochet into the next 2 chains. So now we do one double crochet into the next chain. Then we do one single crochet into the next chain. And this is the first petal. So now we do a slip stitch into the next stitch. And of course we are ready to create another petal. So first chain 7. So now we do one single crochet in the second chain from hook, then we do one double crochet into the next chain, then we do double treble crochet into the next 2 chains. So now we do one double crochet into the next chain, then we do one single crochet into the last chain here to complete the second petal. So now we do a slip stitch into the next stitch here. Then we're going to create another petal as we did before. So first chain 7. So now we do 1 single crochet into the second chain from hook, then we do 1 double crochet into the next chain, then we do a double treble crochet into the next 2 chains. So now we do 1 double crochet into the next chain and a single crochet into the last chain. So now do a slip stitch into the next stitch, and all we have to do now is to repeat this all the way around. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails using a tapestry needle as we did before. So now the secret to ironing the flower is to steal your daughter's hair straightener. And now let me show you the finished daisy flower. This little daisy crochet partner is very simple, and this is a great beginner crochet project too. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your easy daisy. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!